Hi, how are you today? Welcome to the Formidable Mind YouTube channel. Yes, today I'm feeling all positive. I'm just grateful to God that I'm alive, and I hope you are too. All right, even though although this whole vibes, it's making me feel like I should change the topic for today. But we are going to be talking about a serious topic, a very, very serious topic when it comes to relationship, friendships, and even in marriages as well. Okay, so the topic for today is how to escape an abusive relationship. Now, if my mood changes and starts being serious, don't blame me, because this topic is a super, super, super serious topic. Are you trapped in an abusive relationship? This essential step-by-step guide, which I'll be providing, has all the tools and strategies you need to escape safely and quickly. If you're feeling trapped in an abusive relationship, you have to know this. You are not alone, okay? There is a brighter future ahead of you, and that relationship does not mean that is the end of your life. As a victim of an abusive relationship, you need to be able to recognize the signs, okay? It can be emotional, it can be physical, it can be financial. Now, do not belittle those signs, okay? Those signs of abuse. Trust your instincts. If they are wrong, then it is wrong, okay? Now, statistics show that 1 in 4 women and 1 in 7 men experience some sort of physical violence with their intimate partner at some time in their lives, okay? So if you are, you're sensing a lot of red flag signs in your relationship, violence, beatings, verbal abuse, and all those things, you need to take it seriously. Take action immediately. Now, as a Christian, I will recommend that you report the abuser to the family members, or if there are none, you can report to the church, okay? Report to the leaders, the elders of the church. Let them know what is going on in your relationship. If you feel you're not receiving the support that you need, take it up with the police department, okay, in your vicinity, in your region, okay? Take it up with the police, report, give a statement, let them know that something is going on, okay? It would be a safe step on your side for people to know that, yes, you took up appropriate measures. You have to do this particularly if the situation has escalated to the point that, it's affecting you physically and mentally, okay? Yes, if the abuse has gone to a physical stage, a mental stage where you feel trapped, you feel like you're in a bondage, you feel like there's no hope for you, you need to take action. Now, if all this, which I've explained, prove abortive, then you have to follow these steps. Firstly, create a safety plan. Now, this could be from having a backpack full of essentials, okay, for emergency, or you can also plan ahead for a safe place you can go, okay, when the abuse is unbearable, okay. Now, you have to begin preparing to leave, particularly if you are residing in the same quarters, the same room, the same house with the abuser. Prepare to leave. The second step, reach out for support. Discuss the situation you're going through with trusted friends and family members, okay? You can also reach out to local organizations, non-governmental organizations around you, that handle and help abuse victims in such situations, okay? Whose mission is to help abuse victims, okay? So you need to reach out, okay? Do not carry this burden alone, okay? You deserve to be loved, you deserve to be supported, you deserve to be heard. When you're about to leave, please do it safely. Choose a time when your partner will not be around. That is the abuser, okay? Choose a time when he or she will not be around. Avoid confrontation by all means, okay? Your safety is the utmost priority. Once you have escaped, take time to heal before jumping into another relationship, okay? Seek counseling, talk to a therapist about all this before moving on to another relationship, okay? Rebuild your life again, okay? Particularly in a relationship, it is not impossible to start over again. It is your right to start afresh. It is your right, okay, to rebuild your life, okay? And it is helpful for you. Okay, so surround yourself with positive people as well. People who are ready to impact your life, people who are ready to help you and support you. Okay, make sure you have a good support system. Now, here's a disclaimer. In some cases, we hear of abusers coming to ask for forgiveness, trying to, repent, to express that they have repented of their actions and they want to be accepted back. Now, do not get back into a relationship with the abuser unless if he or she has undergone thorough spiritual and mental health counseling. Okay, if he or she has not done this, do not attempt to get back with the abuser. You're stronger. Your mind is formidable than you think. Okay, you have a brighter future ahead of you. All right, so if you found this video useful and informative, please share it. There are many who are in need of this information. Share. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share your thoughts, share your experiences. Let me know what you think. And if you've got experiences, particularly if you got experiences, please share. There are many who would want to learn from your experiences. And never forget, your mind is formidable. Have a good time.